About this item: high voltage 3.1A fast charging and sync. 3.1A fast charge, transfer speed can reach 40-60 MB/s, 480 Mbps. JSAUX USB-C cable accelerates the charging speed by delivering 5V/3.1A safe charging power, 25% faster compared with other cables which provide 5V/2.4A output. Growing Heart certified safety and high quality assurance. This USB-C cable has electronic safety certifications that comply with appropriate standards. You have no need to worry about this cable quality at all. Upgraded 3D aluminum connector and exclusive laser welding technology, which can ensure the metal part won't break. Flexed biceps enhanced durability. Strong fiber, the most flexible, powerful, and durable material, makes tensile force increased by 200%. Can bear 10,000 plus bending test. Premium aluminum housing makes the cable more durable. Nylon braided Type-C cable adds additional durability and tangle-free. Loudspeaker tips for fast charging. 1 Galaxy S20/S20 Plus/